one told me love was only in the movies. It don't exist in real life these days, no. But you showed me if I only just find the faith I need to believe. Anything is possible if you want it bad enough. Know the sky ain't too high. Test your limits. You can feel unstoppable, incredible. Almost there, I can see. I'm so ready.
Hey, Ace family! What's going on, everybody? I'm in such a good mood today. I figured why not start out today's video by giving away a brand new 4x4.
That's mine.
My bad. Yes, guys, this is Landon's new dream car. Well, really Shyla's new dream car, because Landon got it for Shyla. He surprised her the other day. So congratulations, little bro. My little brother is out here doing big things.
I'm trying, bro. I really am trying out here.
You and Shyla doing big things, man.
By the grace of God.
Congratulations to you guys. Keep working hard. They out here doing big things, y'all. Man, it almost brings tears to my eyes, guys. I remember just a few years ago, this boy dropped out of college and didn't know what to do. And now look at him. I am such a proud brother. This dude works his ass off, so he deserves it. And the funny thing is, when he surprised her, I was there in disguise. Hey family, I'm about to show you guys some funny ass unseen footage because I'm gonna make sure to start this video out by making you guys laugh. You guys ready? I'm sorry, but before I show you guys, I gotta take you guys back to the house because Catherine and I have a surprise for all of you. So let's go back to the house. All right, Ace family, so I just got back to the house and Catherine and I have a surprise for all of you.
So the surprise is that we have officially dropped and created our Ace family jerseys for you guys.
So we've been working on these jerseys for a while now and it's finally time to show you guys. If you're ready, give this video a thumbs up right now. Are you ready to show?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Ooh,
show. My
Oh.
jersey, as you guys can see, it's white for all of the girls.
Uh-huh.
And it has a razor back on the
Uh-huh.
back. And then can you show them like the details?
Yeah. Says the Ace family. So you see right here. It's like a little Ace logo right there. Got a bunch of Ace logos on the number. Dope, dope, dope. Show them the front, show them the front. Show them the patch right here. It goes like the little patch. The Ace family patch. You can see in the middle of it, it says, "Hey Ace family." Oh, wait, and I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with NBA jerseys, but here goes the NBA logo, but the Ace logo is inside, as you can see. Oh my God, mama, you look so beautiful in this. Look at you.
Obviously the girls' jersey. Guys can get it too if you really want it.
So the jersey that Catherine is wearing is for the ladies. It obviously comes in white. The one I am wearing is for men, but women can wear it as well, and it comes in red. You want to show them, baby? Ooh, I'm feeling myself in this.
So this is the red jersey. It's a unisex jersey. Women and men can wear this. As you can see, it has the same detail that the white one has. There's the 4, there's the patch.
The detail actually pops out more on the red.
It does. And then the back, number 4, there's all the detail in the 4.
And obviously, Ace family, the number 4 on our jersey symbolizes for the 4 of us in our family. Catherine, Elle, I was about to give away the name. The new one coming, and myself, so 4. No. You know what? We're gonna hit the ass in the montage.
So again, the girls' jerseys have the razor back. So girls, you're welcome to either get this one or get this one. This one's unisex. I personally really like this one, but you guys, like, I know a lot of people like red too.
I like red.
Some people don't like to wear white. I understand it gets dirty and stuff, but to be honest, like, this is super easy to clean and it's super soft and super smooth.
So yes, guys, these jerseys are now on the site. We'll be sure to put the link in the description, or you can just go to shopacefamily.com. There will also be some other exclusive items on the site, so make sure you check those out.
And to be honest, guys, these jerseys are limited. You guys have actually been emailing us about these jerseys for a long time now, ever since we announced the event. So make sure you guys get your jerseys before it's too late.
All right, guys, so before we head to our doctor's appointment, I am now going to show you guys some unseen footage from the other day. It's hilarious. You guys ready?
Hilarious.
If you guys are ready, make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. Here we go. We should probably take these off, huh? All right. Wow, it's my first time taking those off. All right, so what do we start with? The vest? Here we go.
That on first.
There you go. All right.
Put this underneath to make you a little
Yeah. Gotta put this right here. All right, there we go. Baby, you have to make me look not like me, okay? I cannot look like Austin.
I'm gonna try my best.
Have to be fully disguised.
Should I put the wig?
The wig?
Are you wearing a hat? Yeah, you are wearing it.
Yeah, let's put the wig on. All right, there we go. Okay. Okay. Elle, do I look like me?
Yeah.
I do? Shit. Okay, there we go.
This is like too obvious because people know you wear this wig.
They do? No. I should be
Pretty
good.
sure anyone that watches the Ace Family knows you wear this wig.
All right, so I gotta cover my tattoos. Definitely need a beard. Definitely need a beard. Oh yeah. Oh, the beard low-key matches the hair too, so this could work. All right.
That definitely looks like you with a wig and a beard.
Low-key, I don't look like Austin. There we go.
I love how this says cop.
For the I am your new SWAT sergeant.
Take this off. Ew.
What is that?
Hair. But you can't wear those because you have to take the little part off.
Okay, now I just like a bougie SWAT team. You know what? Fuck it. We just gonna go with these, okay? As long as you can't see my eyes, then we good to go. All right. Oh, we need to put the beard back on. Can you see my neck tattoo from there?
You can't even see it.
Oh,
so
perfect.
I'm not even gonna bother.
Perfect.
And then I'm just gonna go get makeup for
Yo.
tattoos on your hands.
Ace Family, keep it 100. I do not look like Austin.
Right.
Who do I look like? Do I look like Dada?
Yeah.
I do? Damn it.
It's a makeup.
No. I should put
Gloves?
gloves on. Yeah, I have gloves. I gotta get the gloves to hide my
You
tattoos.
have gloves. Alright.
Shit, I don't know what y'all talking about. But I look like a motherfucking SWAT team. Shit. Yeah.
I'm sorry, but you still look like you. Like 100% still look like yourself.
Elle, do I look like Dada?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Whatever.
Okay. So now, I need some shoes though. I need some weak ass shoes.
Yeah.
I'll be back. So to be honest with you, I didn't have any weak ass shoes. But I do have these, and the Ace Family ain't never seen me wear these, so I can get away with these ones.
When did you even get those? And why do you even have them?
Don't ask no questions, okay? I like these. They comfortable,
These are
and they look like some security guard shoes.
interesting.
What you think? Oh look, Ace Family, I'm gonna need y'all to rate my SWAT outfit 1 through 10. 10 being hella good. Right down in the comments. I gotta hurry up, baby. Can you order me an Uber?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure no normal person looks like this.
So what you trying to say?
It's just
I'm gonna get caught.
yes,
I'm
in
gonna get
like
caught?
in like 2 seconds.
I don't think so. Call me an Uber. Oh shit. All right, girls, my Uber's here. I'll be back. I love you guys. Wish me luck. Hopefully no one notices me.
Be safe.
Smooches. Give me kisses. Come here. Give me kisses. Okay.
Can I clean your hands?
Bye, girls.
Bye.
Daddy SWAT's gonna be back. How you doing, my man? I am doing amazing.
Good to hear.
Huh?
Good to hear.
Yes. How are you doing? You doing good?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Hang in there.
Here we go. You know where I'm headed to, right?
Yeah.
Be honest with me. Do I look like SWAT?
Yeah.
I look. Okay, good. As long as you think I look like SWAT, then we good to go. Do you mind turning the music down just a little bit?
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir. Alright, Ace Family, as you can tell, I got my SWAT team accent on. And I know a lot of you are confused on what's going on, but I'm about to explain. So my brother, Landon, LNS gang, he is having a little meet and greet, I believe. From what I heard, he's having the LNS gang meet him at a location because he is going to reveal a surprise to his girlfriend, Shyla. The surprise is a brand new car. He invited all of his LNS gang there, so there gonna be a lot of people there, and he gonna, you know, reveal the surprise there. And so what I'm gonna do, what I thought was a good idea is I'm gonna show up as SWAT team, and hopefully no one notices who I am. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is gonna work. but we gonna try. We just gonna show up, and we gonna be a part of the crowd, and we gonna congratulate him. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why I chose SWAT team. This was the only thing they had at Party City, because you know Party City is going out of business. So this was the best outfit I can find. Hopefully we can pull it off. The goal is for no one to notice who I am. Hopefully we can pull it off. If not, then we just gonna have to run for our lives. So we should be there in about like 15-20 minutes, and I'll see you guys when I arrive. You said you watch YouTube?
Yeah, I watch y'all. I got a couple bloggers I like to watch.
Have you heard of the Ace family?
What are they called?
Ace family?
Ace family?
Yeah. No.
But I
Oh
watch
shit, that's not good. Yeah, you never heard of the Ace family?
Is it ACE?
Yeah, ACE family, no? Yeah, they got, I think, to be honest, I believe they're a family channel. They have a cute little baby.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah, cute little baby, and it's a guy and then his wife, and they have a little daughter. And then his wife, I believe she's pregnant again, so they're having more babies. You know, it's a family. It's definitely a family thing. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you are by far the best Uber driver I've ever had.
Well, we ain't there yet.
So Jomo 3000.
Thank you, brother.
You go show Jomo some fucking love. Yeah, like the Ace family, like a lot of they're just like a fake family, honestly.
Right.
You know, like their life can't be that good. You know.
Once you reach a certain level and you get many, you start to contrive.
Yeah, like their relationship, you know, can't be that lovey-dovey.
No, nobody's like that.
Nobody's like that. Yeah. All right, this is our destination. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome back.
Have a good one. All right. Wait, is this the right spot? I don't know where the hell I am. All right, Ace family, I think we made it to the right building. I think this is the building right here. It's at the very top, so I gotta walk my ass up there. But I've decided to wait a little bit because I don't want to ruin, you know, what he got going on. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Because if someone recognizes me, all hell gonna break loose. So I want to let them have their moment, and then, you know, I'm gonna show up after, and hopefully no one recognizes me. All right, I think it's time. Y'all wish me luck now. If y'all think I'm gonna get caught, comment below caught. If y'all think I'm gonna survive, comment below survive, okay? Let's get it. Shit, I hear kids. All right, let's try this again. Oh, I heard something. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that. Would you look at that? Whew. Where's me luck? Just a LS gang meeting?
Do you have a disguise though?
No.
No.
Motherfuckers is looking at me crazy. Oh shit, y'all. This might have been a bad idea. There's a lot of people over here. It's a lot of people. Oh man. This is crazy. This is crazy. A lot of people over here.
No way. Oh my god. That's awesome.
Oh shit.
Austin.
What's going on over here? No.
My brother, the free idea.
Congratulations, bro! We did it!
What's wrong with you, bro?
I'm so proud of you!
What's wrong with you, bro?
Oh, you're out here doing it. Congratulations! Oh my god! You guys are out here doing big things! Damn, that's a lot of love. Holy shit, this was a lot of love.
Oh, you're good. No, you're
This
good.
is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my god, this is so amazing.
Am I moving?
We're not leaving. We want to be able to say hi to everybody before we leave.
Bro, you can't even tell I'm SWAT.
No, you do not.
Bro, be honest. I don't look like Austin. Be honest.
Whose Nikes are those?
Bottom fist of the SWAT. Don't be hating on my Nikes.
Cortezes.
Ooh, these are nice Nikes. Wow, bro, this is amazing, man. Wow. This is crazy, bro. Y'all really got the whip. Congratulations, bro. That's crazy. Bye, guys. Oh, my God. I love you. Oh, my God. I love you guys. Oh. Be careful. Don't get ran over. Watch your toes. Watch your toes. Oh, my God. I love you guys. Oh, my God. I love you. I love you. Fuck this security outfit. I love you. Oh, my God. Bye. All right, guys. On that note, it's time to change and head to our doctor's appointment.
We're actually late, so let's go.
We'll meet y'all there. Oh, almost dropped you guys. We have made it to our appointment. We are here at the hospital, about to hear our baby's heartbeat. You don't understand. Every time I come to the hospital, I get so excited because I just can't wait for my baby to come out. I'm gonna have three princesses. Three. 2 princesses and 1 queen. 2 princesses, princesses. 2 princesses, princess. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Let's go hear this baby's heartbeat.
So I am now in the doctor's room. I'm waiting for the doctor. I have like all these questions I want to ask her, so I'm excited for her to be here. And this is what my belly looks like at this point. It's getting humongous. I am officially 20 weeks pregnant. So I have another 20 weeks to go. Hopefully it's not 20 weeks. Hopefully it's like 17, 18 weeks. Elle was actually born 3 days before her due date. So hopefully this baby comes out a little sooner because the summer is going to be so freaking hot. And I'm just going to want her out. So hopefully she comes out at like 39 weeks. Elle, do you want to see your baby sister?
Yeah.
You do?
Do you want to feel her movements?
Yeah.
And do you want to hear her heartbeat?
Yeah.
Hear it?
That's your sister's heart. Oh my God, it's beating so fast.
That's your baby sister.
You hear her?
You hear it? Yeah? Wow.
So she's more like this way. It's funny because she's always on this side.
Wow, baby. As a parent, it's always a good feeling to hear your baby's heartbeat. Even though my baby sounds kind of crazy, she in there breathing fast. We're finally home. Before we close out today's video, do not forget your Ace Family jerseys. Before we close out today's video, we do have to give our post notification shout out to who, baby?
So today's post notification shout out goes to TK Gang. So shout out to you, TK Gang.
Hey, shout out to you, TK Gang. Thank you so much for being part of the Ace Family. You already know. We love you. Elle, what are you doing? Whoever else would like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe to the Ace Family, hit that subscribe button, turn on our post notifications, hit that bell button. Once you do those 2 things, all you gotta do is comment done. It's that easy. And obviously, if you like today's video, you gotta give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for the Ace Family jerseys because they are fire. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like me and my beautiful pregnant queen always say,
We'll be back
with more videos. Peace.